and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and we've got a very exciting shop item launch for the month of October. This one has actually been in the planning since May, June-ish time. We've kept this one quiet for a very long time. So we have a mystery, not so much mystery product, and we also have 3 trays launching this month. Now the trays are a little bit different, so I'm going to show you the trays first before I do a major unboxing of excitement. But these are our new Zesty trays, so they are slightly smaller than the normal Add More Zest tray. So you can see there is a little bit on either side. Let's see if I turn them over. Is that a little bit easier to see? It's probably not, because I picked a white one. I picked up a white one rather than a grey, thinking it would be easier for you to see, but actually we're better with the contrast. So can you see there the difference, because my table's white as well? So there's not a huge amount in it. The spout is quite a bit shorter. So if we move, well actually no, it's not really, ish. It's a little bit shorter, the actual spout, if I put them together. So it's about the size of a stopper, smaller. And you can see if I actually put the stoppers back to back, it's a little bit smaller that way as well. Some people do prefer, you know, a tray that's just a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to hold depending on the size of your hands. But we didn't want to go too small compared to a normal tray. We still want you to be able to get a nice size amount of diamonds and of course be able to shake them and them lie flat. And quite often it's the size of the tray that can help with getting your diamonds to lie flat, so we didn't want to go too small. But these are our little Zesty trays. We know they're going to be popular. I find when I'm working with something that has a bit of confetti, so if I'm in a confetti area on a diamond painting, I tend to go for the Zesty tray. And then when I'm doing, you know, something that I'm tipping a lot of diamonds out into my tray, I'll go back to my Add More Zest tray, and I'll flip between the two quite often. But we have them in 3 colours this month. These are limited edition, so once each of these colours have gone, they're gone. We never say never to doing a colour again, but we have so many colours to go through, it might take us a while to get there. But we have it in a hot pink, a turquoise and an orange. And they of course all come with their little stopper, and you can buy stoppers extra. In case, you know, we've been known cats like to pinch them on occasion, and sometimes they just go somewhere. And who knows where. But yeah, they are the trays for this month. So a little bit different, a little bit shorter. And you'll see why these colours are important, or why we picked these colours, when I show you our another limited edition. So these are limited in the amount we have. We have partnered for this with Diamond Art Studio UK. They have been absolutely amazing during this whole process. But this is the diamond painting that I am going to do, my own one, for my December Advent. And so if I can get everything out the box. So what you get is you get a set of stickers. So these are labelled up already with the symbols. They are on round stickers, so they will work on pretty much any of the storage, but they're on the round stickers. And are you ready? I'm so excited. So excited. Now, while these are limited edition, I do need to make you aware, if you are going to order one of these today, which is when they launch, they're available now. on the website. I was trying to think then what time I'm scheduling this for. They're available now on the website. We have had the first shipment of these arrive. However, the main shipment, the big shipment, is currently stuck in Europe. Excuse me. There's been a few delays due to various different things. COVID and security, customs and extra checks. There's also even been potential delays due to the petrol or the fuel shortage that we've had in the UK. So we do have a batch with us now. We do have more coming. So what we're going to do is we're going to prioritise international orders, going to the ones that seem to be taking the longest, the countries that seem to have more of a postal issue. So I think Australia will be priority, followed by USA and Canada. I think that's the other one that they struggle on and off. America struggles on and off. Australia does have a bit of a parcel backlog at the moment. So we're going to ship as many of those orders as we can first, in case people do want to do these for their December Advent. But we have left, nearly a clear 2 months to try and get these to you. But I had to get that out before people saw what it was and went ordering and didn't hear the rest. But this is our exclusive diamond painting. Ta-da! Don't you just love him? This is the Zesty Wolf, and now you can see why we went for pink, turquoise and orange trays. Yes, he's not major Christmassy. He's not Christmas themed in any way. But seeing as last year I did a Halloween picture for Christmas, I wanted something that would be fun to do and fun to do for as many people as possible. So this is only available in round. I know Diamond Art Studio offer their canvases in both round and square. We chose to go for round. We don't know how well this is going to go down, so we didn't want to have too many options and it flop a bit. We've got no idea how it's going to go. So this isn't a round because we do want to include as many, round seems to be the one that, while some people prefer squares and some people only do squares, that's more due to their choice than them being quite new at it and haven't mastered squares, because the squares are a little bit more tricky than rounds. So as I say, we wanted to include as many people as possible. So we have gone for a round canvas. It is 30 by 40 in size, which is perfect for doing a December Advent, especially when I'm going to be waffling my way through every single section. Of course, you do not have to, purchase this diamond painting to do my December Advent. That is not a requirement. You can do whatever picture you like, but I know some people do like to purchase the same one that I'm doing. So yeah, we have brought out the Zesty Fox. So included, you will get your canvas, of course. Absolutely gorgeous quality canvas. It's got the crimped edges. You've seen me do Mr. Quackers. It's the same amazing quality. You get your diamonds. Look at all those pretty colours. So we've got turquoise, of course, orange, pink. We've got some blue. We do have some 310, but not too much. Look, peaches. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colours. And it is already labelled up, as is the canvas for those that like to label up. Completely up to you, but it's there. And you do also get a toolkit as well. And of course, your stickers for your pots. And then toolkit wise, if I can get in it, here we go. So you do get a smaller tray. So in fact, it's the bigger of the small white trays. So just to compare the sizing so that you know, this is one of the wider ones. This tray is just a little bit bigger and of course longer with a stopper. But you do get a tray, so there's no requirement. So you don't have to purchase these to do December daily. Not December daily. That's a scrapbooking thing. December Advent. We get a pen with a stopper. You get a little tub of blue wax. There's a couple of multi-placers in there. And there's some of the nice tweezers, though the pointy tweezers. So don't stab yourself with them, please. Yeah, and that is available, excuse me, on the website, addmorezest.com. It is available from now, but do note every single one of these items is a limited edition. So once the stock has gone, it's gone. And in relation to those that order the diamond painting, we will be prioritising international orders, because I want to ensure if people have decided to purchase it to do the December Advent, that they have it ready so that they can prepare it for the December Advent. The other ones are not too far behind, but I know UK and most of Europe get theirs within, well, UK tends to get it within 2 days. Europe tends to get it within a week or so. So I'd rather send them to further afield and not have any disappointment for anybody if they do want to join in. But yeah, well done everybody on your guesses of what the items were. I don't know whether you would have guessed what sort of picture it was going to be. Let me know your thoughts. I know it's a little bit different, it's a little bit wacky, but I love my little zesty wolf. Yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. But thank you so much for watching, as always. Thank you all for your support in relation to the channel and the shop. It does help. And I will speak to you all again soon.